on? I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Look what arrived today. And she is super light. The one last month was quite hefty, but it had like a full-size tube of a first aid beauty product. So I'm super curious. Ooh, maybe we'll have more makeup because skincare products tend to weigh more. But enough guessing. Let's slice her open and jump on in. In case anyone's new, welcome. Allure Beauty Box is $25 a month. If you pay for like 3 months at a time, 6 months at a time, up to a year at a time, you do get a discount. Comes with a card which will show what the price of the products are. And we're guaranteed to get at least 3 full-size products. All right, first product. Okay, this is from WOW, which means it's some sort of hair care. What are you? Color Security Shampoo. Okay, I'm not mad at that. As you can see, I have very short hair. So when it comes to styling products, damage control, leave-in conditioners, I'm just meh, because I get my hair cut so frequently. But shampoos, I can get on board with. All right, next item, we have some whitening strips by a company called MYSMILE. No slip, natural ingredient protection. I'm lazy. I want my teeth to be whiter, but the thought of having something you gotta, drool out of your mouth, you can't talk. I don't know. But let's see. Step 1, peel. Step 2, apply. Step 3, reveal. Yeah, that seems pretty intuitive. Okay, 30 to 45 minutes. Oh, I don't know. Leave me a comment and let me know. Have you ever tried these and or any other strips, and do they work? Because if so, maybe I'll power through the 30 to 45 minutes with something on my teeth. All right, next we have something very tiny. What are you? Lash Follicle Fortifying Serum. Ooh, I use lash serums all the time. I don't know if you can tell. My eyelashes are long, not from heredity, but from lash serums. And the one I'm currently using is getting low. And I was wondering, do I have a backup that I don't know where it is? So this saves me from digging through the piles and piles of stuff I have. Okay, so longer looking lashes in 6 to 12 weeks. What's the brand? NULASTIN. Okay. I'm curious what that retails for, because lash serums can be pricey. Holy cow. This is really pricey. Wait, is this full size? Full size is 3 ml for $84. Yep. 0.1 fluid ounces or 3 ml. Holy moly. No wonder this box was so light, because this is tiny, but what, over 3 times the value of the box in one product? That is crazy yet amazing. All right, next item. Ooh, what do we have? A little perfume sample. This is from TOCCA. I'm the worst when it comes to scents. I've never heard of that. TOCCA. And it's the scent Laila, or is it Laila with the scent TOCCA? I don't know. Let's do a little spritz. And then I'll look in the booklet to see what's the name of the brand versus the name of the perfume. Okay, I'm starting to like it. I'm going to let it settle into my skin for another few seconds, and let's find it in the booklet here. All right, so TOCCA Laila Eau de Parfum. So I assume TOCCA's the brand and Laila's the name of the scent. That is nice. I'm going to put this stuff on screen. I'm picking up a little bit of citrus with some kind of vanilla florals. It's nice. Is it my favorite? No. Is it horrible? No. Like, will I use up this sample? You bet. Will I go out and buy it? Probably not. All right. What else came in this box? What are you? This is a small little thing. This is Create Your Magic. Oh, REALHER Magic. I'm going to look in the booklet here. REALHER Magic Black to Pink Watery Lip Stain. What kind of magic. Wait, what? I thought this was going to be a liquid eyeshadow. Now I am intrigued. Something that dark is then going to go pink, but is it going to be a dark pink? Whatever. I'm at the point where I will share and show. And if it's a waste because I don't like it, oh well. Let's first do a swatch. Ooh, I'm loving the doe foot. It's one of those fat boys. But it wasn't hard to pull out, so it didn't splatter. I'm just picking up that perfume, so I'm not sure about the scent. Let's do a little swatch, and let's see, you know, if it's just pH balancing. All right, let me wipe off what's on my face. I normally don't do that. But I'm super intrigued today, so we're going to do that. All right, hopefully I didn't wipe off foundation around my mouth. So let's slap her on. And honestly, the dark color is nice. I mean, I normally don't wear dark, but it's a nice dark shade. Let's see how long it takes to go from dark to pink. When I hear pink, I think light. This is just a darker shade of pink. All right. It has like a chemical taste. Not bad. Not the scent, but the product it feels nice. Looks nice if you like darker shades like this. It just doesn't taste really good. I know we're not supposed to eat lip products, but I can't help it. It goes into my mouth. What does that retail for? I'm assuming this is full size. $24. Dang. Okay. So, yeah. We got a lip product. What else? This looks to be a sample. Okay. SEPHORA brand. Interesting. What are you? So this is a super brightening serum. Okay. I love trying new serums. Perfect timing if you plan on shopping the VIB sale. So I guess I should put this in my rotation because if I like it, hey, it will be 30% off. All right, next product. Okay, so this was the product we got to select our shade from. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil. And of course, I picked taupe because, yes, I am blonde or very fair, light hair. I also rarely do my brows, but I guess if and when, I now have a new brow pencil. Okay, so it's the kind that scrolls up. It's very fine tip. I assume the other end, yep, we have a spoolie. All right, so how much is the Anastasia Brow Wiz? $26. Okay, so there is one more product, which, oh, okay, it's from OFRA. What are you? It's black. Perfect. Oh, it's an eyeliner. Everyone in the world is probably like, ooh, a black eyeliner. I love trying new black eyeliners. I'm super excited because maybe this will be the one. I've yet to find the one, although the one I'm wearing today has high hopes that will be in a future video. Okay, what does the OFRA black eyeliner retail for? Shut up. $13? Am I reading that correct? That seems way too cheap. No? $13? Please be the one. Because OFRA isn't high-end, but it's typically not drugstore pricing. $13, that's pretty darn good. All right, let's recap everything we got in the October 2025 Allure Beauty Box. Got the Color Security Shampoo from Wow, a color-changing lip stain from REALHER, a sample of the Super Brightening Serum from the SEPHORA collection, the OFRA Black Eyeliner, the Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills, a perfume sample from TOCCA, a sample of whitening strips from MYSMILE, and a lash serum from NULASTIN. What are your thoughts? Holy cow, we actually got 8 items this month. Normally we only get 6. Granted, only 3, or was it 4? 1, 2, 3. Okay, no, 4 are full size. The other 4 are deluxe or samples. The box was really light because, you know, you got a brow pencil, an eyeliner, These were small items, but valuable. Hello, $84. I am not mad with this box. I'm going to use just about everything I received. I'm still on the fence about these teeth whiteners, but let me know if they're any good. So I'm super curious if you also got the box. What did you think of this month's box? Have you been impressed with Allure this year? Every single month we've been able to select the shade of a product and on occasion the actual product. If you've been thinking about subscribing to the Allure box, I do have a friend referral code down in my description. If anyone is curious, I'm going to list the MSRP value. I want to say with one product being $84 and several of the other full-size products being like 24, what was it, 18, 26, we have a box value that's probably over $150. That is amazing considering I pay like 6 months at a time. So my boxes are only like $23. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up. It really does help with my channel to grow, as does hitting the hype button if you happen to be watching on your phone. All right. Thanks, everyone.